Hey, what is up everyone? So for today, this is more of a kind of a rushed video in a sense, is because today I got my Cobb Access Port and I bought that through Moe Supra Performance Parts. Go ahead, I'll put I don't think he has a link yet, but you can find him on Instagram, Moe Supra _Performance Parts. Go like him, he's new, he's in Southern California, and he hooked it up with me. Let's go ahead and get this installed because I've been like super excited about this day. I may run the Cobb tune. A lot of people say it's really bad. Some people just don't like it at all. And to be honest, I want to give my own input on it. I can't be biased on anyone because of the fact that I've never ran it before. I've never had a Cobb tune. I've never had a tune from them or anyone else. So like I said, my car's first time with an Accessport. Alright, so do things right. We're inside the ST. Let's open this guy up. And I've already opened it. I've already registered everything, so that's actually pretty good. And let's get this guy open. Honestly, I love it. And I need it. Oh my god, this is probably not the best way to mount it because this is magnetic and it may not affect it as much, but I'm gonna try to be careful with it. Well, there you go. Install done. Time to go. Just kidding. Yeah, it actually works. I didn't think it was going to work that way, but that's pretty good. I just don't want to stick it here. I'm going to buy the A-pillar mount or a suction cup mount, but I'm gonna wait for that till later. But for now, I can leave it. So here is my cable. So it's gonna go right inside here, which this goes down, it goes in there. And I'm gonna route it from here to probably go around in here. Just because I don't want wires hanging everywhere. You guys can probably see it in there. And then I can possibly come in through this side and pick it up. You can probably see my hand right there. There you go. And then this guy needs to match this way. Perfect. So now the access port is on. It is connected to the car, and of course it has the Ford logo. Let's close this guy. Let me close this guy up here first now, since I don't really... No way. I think I'm going to have to unhook this and move it somewhere, but for now, let's leave it open. Troubleshooting, install. Okay, verifying the ignition switch is on the on position. It is on the on position. There you go. Please confirm that your vehicle matches. Yes. Okay, shush, man. Stage 0. Let's do stage 1. Actually, I'm actually on 93 right now. But maybe we can do this one. How about this? I'll run the 93 for right now, since I do. If you mix 8 gallons of 94 with the rest being what? 4 gallons of 91, you get 93. So let's go based off of that. A battery charger is recommended. Please turn off headlights and climate controls and connect to the battery. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Engine fault, service now. Oh my god. Brake fluid is low. This is crazy. Honestly, this thing keeps saying the exact same thing. So it's 4:01 at the moment. Everything just shut off. So what I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys know once this is all done. Oh, I'm about to break down nervously right now. Okay, it's at 100%. Please wait while the Accessport generates. Yeah. Please wait while the Accessport generates ECU data. Well, could you at least stop with your noise? That would be highly appreciated. Oh, do not turn off vehicle or unplug Accessport. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be another nervous breakdown. I believe The first part was getting the base map, or a copy of the base map. That's the original ECU. I think now it's just flashing the ECU to a stage 1. I do have the intake. I just have a straight pipe, of course. But I mean, it should do a mere difference of whatever it's having now. It's gonna be a 93. I most likely will end up flashing it to a 91, but just for right now, I want to do the full 93. Okay, so it's 4:14 and we're at 95%. This thing is really bugging the hell out of me. So we're about, what, 13 minutes or so? Should be alright. It's only about 10 minutes, but usually some people say it's 10 to 30. Okay. It's at 100. Oh, something happened. My car turned back on. It's on normal mode. Didn't know I had that. Normal mode. Installation successful. Please turn your ignition key to on the off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. Let's do it. Alright, fuck it. Let's go. Oh. That was... Whew. Alright. The car's good to go. So although the scare of it, how it took like almost 2 to 3 turns to turn on was a bit scary, but let's go ahead and check out my gauges to monitor it. Please wait while I don't know, what do you guys think I should do? Maybe just 4 gauges. I don't know what I'm doing. I think I should have at least did a little bit more research on all this. That's probably something I should have done since the beginning. And I'm gonna drive it around and seeing how I feel about it, and I'll give you guys a little review on it. But I probably won't post anything while I drive because I don't know yet. I just don't have a mount at this moment that doesn't shake as much. And I'll just give you guys my final review once I'm done just driving the car around. Also, what I did was I just pressed the little tabs that are right here and right here, pushed it in, closed. Maybe that's gonna rattle, but I'll let you guys know.